my feeling after I did that surgery was the same feeling which I felt with the other patients. No? It's just it's really quite amazing to see this procedure being done away, because most of the time my patients are under the anesthesia, so asleep. So maybe a little bit of maybe nice feeling that it was a successful surgery. After then, there was no deficit encountered after the surgery. It's a pretty good feeling.
We're all exhausted. Other than that, it's self-fulfilling as an anesthesia provider, because after the surgery, I was talking with the patient and she was smiling. And she may not be able to recall yung mga iba na mga events, but she keeps on talking about her memories, so that's very good. And she was smiling. And of course, I cannot do this with my anesthesia supporting as well, the residents. And I think the most important thing that this was a successful surgery is because we have to be in communication with each other. I have to communicate with my surgeon and my neuropsychiatrist, because at some point in time we have to wake the patient up. So he will tell me that I have to titrate my medications, and then he will tell me pwede pa-rest ng patient, patulog, and then wake up again for the testing. So good team effort comes with the good communication with them. Much more that this is already my team, I know how they work, and I know their style. So that's the key for a successful surgery. In any surgery, it's not just for this particular surgery.
So, I'm feeling, siguro, one of my feelings before the surgery, I was surprised that I talked to Dr. Happiness. Is this the first first awake cranial naked? So, after that, when I knew that this is the first awake cranial naked, syempre I understand the impact it has on not only in the city but in Western Visayas. So, and the patients may not go to other places to this kind of services na kaya naka-overall dahil sa mga Ilonggo, sa mga taga-Panay, overall ng among klase procedure. So, very happy and sa tanan kag sa Western Visayas.